Hi everyone, today we'll talk about a very special indigenous groups in the Philippines, the Iskaya people of Bohol. They are one of our country's indigenous people and are part of our indigenous cultural communities. Let's get to know who they are, where they came from, and how we can preserve their amazing culture and way of life.
The Iskaya are an indigenous group who live in the southern part of Bohol, mainly in the town of Duero. They have been living there for many years, even before modern times. They have their own way of life, they farm, take care of nature, and live peacefully in small communities.
Mao day ni ang kinabuhi sa usa ka Iskaya tribe. Sa panahon sa ating uwan, mananom kami og humay. Pagkahuman sa panahon sa ating init, mangani nami. So sa makita ninyo sa among palibot nga humana kami pangani. Sa nakita ninyo sa akong likuran, mao ni among mga naabot nga uhot, mao ni among mga nahumana nga pangani.
Datu Mariano Sumatra Datahan was the founder and spiritual leader of the Iskaya tribe in Bohol. A former revolutionary, he led his people to a peaceful life in the mountains where he created their own language, writing system, and unique beliefs. His teachings continue to guide the Iskaya community today.
People are also known as keepers of the ancient script because they have their own language and writing system. So we met Lavilla, one of the members of Iskaya tribe. Hey, Lavilla. Hello, Claire. She is the teacher of their community. So, ma'am, can you teach us about your language?
Our alphabet is taken from the parts of the human body.
Very interesting.
They use a special script when writing stories or songs. Instead of using the alphabet we know, they use characters like symbols to represent words and syllables. It's a unique part of who they are.
Oh, it's almost a sign language. I heard that Iskayan people have their own month names. Can you share it to me?
Yes. For example, in our language, March means maso.
About August, that's my birth month.
For August, it's Tatubi.
Lavilla, thank you for your time. So how do I say thank you in Iskaya?
It's Lami Samyal.
Lami Samyal.
The Sinariston dance is a traditional ritual dance performed by the Iskaya tribe in Bohol, Philippines. The Sinariston is more than a dance. It's a ritual and spiritual expression rooted in the Iskaya's belief system. It is often performed to communicate with the spiritual world, seek guidance, or offer thanksgiving. The dance reflects the tribe's connection to their ancestors and cultural identity. Today, the Iskaya face many challenges like less support for their education, land problems, and some young people forgetting their culture. But they are trying to keep their culture alive by teaching their language in schools, performing traditional dances, and joining festivals.
We can help promote and preserve the Iskaya and other IPs by, first, respecting their culture. Second, sharing their stories and crafts online. Third, visiting their communities respectfully. Fourth, including their lessons in schools. And lastly, supporting their rights and voices.